See how this turns into this. With these durable and flexible drawer dividers, these have been a game changer for organizing, especially small clothing. Now, I've not been one to set New Year's resolution, but one of the things I did say I want to do better at this year was to have less piles of clean laundry stored in my bedroom. The feeling of clutter just was getting to me. So this is my solution. It's the envelope method, which makes it very easy for us to see what outfits are there, and it makes it easy for Zoe to take the outfits that she needs, whether it be getting ready for school or bedtime. What makes this method super effective is that it allows her to have both tops and bottoms together for the corresponding outfits. So it's easy for her just to choose her envelope and go change into a complete outfit. This method helps you in 3 ways. Makes it easy for you to see your clothing. It's easy for kids especially to take out their outfits by themselves. And it's easier for the drawers to stay organized because there's no constant digging to get to the bottom of the drawer to see what's there. If you want more tips and tricks about home organization, home decor, and home maintenance, stay tuned to the HandyMom 866.